In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create balance sheet in Xero. A balance sheet shows what your business owns, what it owes, and the owner's equity at a single point in time. It's a core report for understanding financial health and is especially useful for lenders, investors, and your own internal check-ins. Let's walk through how to build it quickly and confidently in Xero. Start by signing into your Xero account and heading to your organization's homepage. You'll see the main navigation along the top. From here, open the reporting section. This is where Xero keeps all your financial statements and performance reports. Inside reporting, look for balance sheet and select it. Xero will load the report with default settings. Think of the balance sheet as an as-at snapshot. You're choosing a specific date and time to see the balances. To set that, use the date field at the top. Pick the exact date you want the report to represent. Month end is common, but you can choose any date that aligns with your needs, like quarter end or year end. Next, use the Compare With option if you want context. Comparing your balance sheet with a previous month, quarter, year, or a specific prior date helps you spot movements in cash, receivables, payables, and equity. Choose the comparison that best matches the story you're trying to tell. Month over month for short-term trends, or year over year for seasonality and longer arcs. After you've set the date and any comparison period, click Update. This refreshes the report with your selections. It's a simple step, but it ensures you're looking at the exact version you need before you review or share it. Now scroll down to view the results. You'll see assets at the top, followed by liabilities and then equity. Confirm that total assets equal the sum of liabilities and equity. That's the fundamental balance. If something looks off, use this view to dig into the categories. Big swings in cash, inventory, or payables, for example, often point to operational changes you may want to double check elsewhere in Xero. When you're happy with the report, head to the top right and choose Save As or Export. Saving lets you keep the layout for quick reuse next time. Exporting creates a file you can share or archive, such as a PDF for a clean, presentation-ready copy or a spreadsheet if you want to perform additional analysis. That's it. You've navigated to the report, set the date, added a comparison, updated the view, reviewed the balances, and saved or exported your balance sheet, everything you need to present a clear financial snapshot in Xero.